Welcome to 5 Tips on Ear Care in King Charles Spaniel, brought to you by www.trainpetdog.com. The King Charles Spaniel, also known as the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, is a small breed of spaniel that was primarily used as a companion breed. They are known for their large, round brown eyes that are described as soulful and their luxurious coat. The King Charles is an ideal companion dog that can fit into any lifestyle. They are even-tempered, friendly, and calm, making them a wonderful family pet. The breed can be found in 4 coat variations, and these are Blenheim, Ruby, King Charles, and Prince Charles. Although they have many wonderful qualities, the ears of the King Charles Spaniel are met with both envy and frustration. One of the most notable traits, the long and pendulous ears, hang down the sides of the King Charles head and well past the jawbone. The ears are covered with a dense, long hair, and it has a fringed look, making them appear even sweeter than their other features do. The frustration with these ears often come to ear problems, since the breed is prone to ear infections, and proper ear care is a must with this breed. Ear care tip number 1. Check the ears regularly. Proper ear care starts with checking your Cavalier's ears on a regular basis, at least twice per week. Because of how the ears are shaped, it is an ideal place for pests such as ticks, fleas, and mites to hide. In addition, the long hair makes an ideal breeding ground. Check for pests whenever you are grooming your dog and periodically through the week. When you are checking, also look for signs of an infection. A bad smell coming from the ears is often an indicator, as well as red rashes in the ear or a buildup of dirt and debris. Check the ear for all of these things when you... Ear care tip number 2. Keep the ears dry. One of the main reasons for ear infections is moisture being trapped in the ears. For this reason, it is important to keep the ears dry and to dry them whenever your King Charles Spaniel gets wet. When you do dry the ears, make sure that you dry both the insides and the outsides of the ear. This should be done after baths, swimming, or whenever your dog gets the ears wet. In addition, you should consider tying the ears up slightly whenever he has a drink, since the ears will soak up water from the dish and will spread it around the house. In addition, that water could lead to an ear infection. Ear care tip number 3. Clip the hair. As I have mentioned, the King Charles has long hair on and around the ears. This hair can cause a number of problems since it can grow up and into the ear infections. In addition, the hair will trap dirt and debris in the canal, and it can lead to inflammation and other ear infections. Make it a habit to trim the hair in and around the ear to about an inch or shorter. Do this about once or twice a month. Ear care tip number 4. Use a cleaning solution. Whenever you clean your Cavalier King Charles Spaniel's ears, make sure you use a cleaning solution. The reason for this is twofold. 1. The ear cleaning solution will break up the dirt and it will make cleaning much easier. 2. The ear cleaning solution usually has a drying agent, which will dry the ear and will prevent moisture from building up. When you clean with an ear cleaning solution, take a dropper and place a few drops into each ear. Massage the solution into the ear canal and then wipe away any excess solution and dirt from the outer ear. Ear care tip number 5. Take care when cleaning. Although you may not realize it, a King Charles Spaniel's ears can be damaged when you are cleaning them, so it is important to take care and to be gentle when you are cleaning the ears. Never insert anything into the ear canal and try to avoid going deeply into it, since this can force wax back into the ear canal and may damage the ear. Always use a cloth or cotton ball, since swabs may damage the eardrum. By following these tips, your King Charles Spaniel's ears should remain healthy and free from ear problems. Thank you for watching 5 tips on ear care in King Charles Spaniel. For more tips on Cavalier King Charles Spaniels and training your King Charles Spaniel, visit www.trainpetdog.com.